Hi friends! Today video about Oukitel WP23.
Worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job.
Oukitel, the once famous manufacturer of rugged cell phones, is now prioritizing aesthetics and mobility without losing its character. Finally, the Oukitel WP23 was designed to be a slim, stylish, and durable phone that would be offered in 3 various colors. Corning Gorilla Glass protects the WP23's 6.52 AMOLED screen, which features a 20:1 aspect ratio. There is 64 GB of expandable internal storage, 4 GB of RAM, and an Octa-Core CPU. The WP23 is expected to give us with fantastic gaming and movie watching experiences thanks to its 6.52-inch AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, HDR10+, 700 nits type, and 1300 nits peak display full touchscreen smartphone. The body of the Oukitel WP23 measures 169, 6x79x9, 3 mm, and weighs 211 grams. Because of its Gorilla Glass front, aluminum frame, and glass back, the WP23 provides the finest protection currently available. IP68 water resistance, IP69 K dust resistance, MIL-STD810H drop resistance. Android 13, Octa-Core CPU. 6.52 HD plus screen. 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB ROM plus 1 TB expandable. Battery 10,600 mAh. 5 MP front camera, 13 MP rear camera, and a 2 MP micro camera. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I